Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with Stripe, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by visiting the Stripe website at stripe.com. Click on the sign up button in the upper right corner. Fill out the required information to create your Stripe account. Verify your email address by clicking the link sent to your inbox. Log into your Stripe account using your newly created credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Business Settings menu on the left sidebar. Select Account Details and fill in the necessary business information. Next, choose your preferred currency and payment methods. Now, access the Developers section in the sidebar. Here, click on API Keys to find your publishable and secret keys. Copy your publishable key for use on your front-end application. Then, copy your secret key for back-end integration. If you are using a programming language, determine which Stripe library you'll need. Install the relevant library by using a package manager like npm or pip. After installing, initialize Stripe in your code with your secret key. Create a function to handle payment processing on your back-end. This function should validate the payment details provided by your application. Next, create a payment form on your front end. Ensure this form collects necessary information such as credit card details. Utilize Stripe's JavaScript library to securely manage sensitive information. Enable tokenization of the card details with stripe.createToken. Once you receive a token, send it alongside the payment details to your backend. In your backend, use the secret key to finalize the payment. Make sure your code handles any errors returned from Stripe's API. Test your integration in Stripe's test mode using the provided test card numbers. Review the transaction history in your Stripe dashboard to check for successful payments. Finally, switch to live mode to start accepting real payments. Congratulations, your Stripe account is now fully connected. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.